Security or policies may require that specific tasks be performed by different users. For example, you may not want the same person to both create a new worker and set up compensation information for a worker. This concept is referred to segregation of duties. Segregation of duties helps you reduce the risk of fraud, and it also helps you detect errors or irregularities. You can also use segregation of duties to enforce internal control policies. In Dynamics 365 for Talent, when two duties in the same role conflict, or when a user is assigned to two roles that contain conflicting duties, the conflict is logged. The security administrator must approve or reject each assignment that causes a conflict. For duties that are typically separated, separate sample roles and default duties are included out of the box in Dynamics 365 for Talent. By default, no segregation of duty rules are set up. Compliance with the rules for segregation of duties is not verified when you create the rules. Therefore, you can create a rule that causes existing user role assignments to conflict. You can also create a rule that causes an existing role definition to have a conflict. You'll need to validate the compliance manually after you create or edit any rules. Let's take a look at a demonstration of how to set up segregation of duty rules. In Talent, you can set up rules to separate tasks that must be performed by different users. Again, this concept is called segregation of duties. When the definition of the security role or the assignments of the user violate those rules, the conflicts are logged, and you must resolve those. In order to verify the user assignments, you'll need to run the verify compliance of user role assignments with rules for segregations of duty process. When you assign those rules, the system does not automatically do it, so you must explicitly run the job. When you run this job, you'll need to select whether you want to run this in the background as a batch process. After the job has been executed, the system will create a list of all of those conflicts in the segregation of duty conflicts form or page, and from that page you can allow or deny the role assignments that are causing a conflict. Let's switch over to the application and take a look at a demonstration of how to verify and approve or deny your segregation of duty rules.